importance of detailed prompts when utilizing AI tools cannot be overstated. Clear instructions are essential for generating accurate and functional code, leading to superior programming outcomes. Furthermore, manual testing remains a crucial step, even after AI-generated code is produced. Verifying that the script operates effectively in real-world scenarios is vital to ensure its reliability. Moreover, browser extensions and external links are critical for establishing a productive coding environment. Ensuring that all necessary tools are accessible can significantly streamline the coding process. In addition, confirming connections and settings is essential to prevent potential errors during script execution. Always verify that your configurations align with the provided instructions. A green check mark signifies successful configuration and the upload of your script to the cloud. This visual indicator assures users that everything is correctly set up. Adhering strictly to the instructions is imperative to avoid issues. Comprehensive guidance is offered for users who may lack coding experience, ensuring a user-friendly approach. Additionally, confirming script execution is crucial for ensuring that everything operates smoothly. Monitoring console logs and the interface can help validate the success of the process. It's important to note that real-time performance may fluctuate due to changes in network load. Users should expect some variability in results, which is a common occurrence. Finally, access issues may occur due to inactivity, but reconnecting is typically straightforward. Following the on-screen instructions or reaching out to support can effectively resolve these situations.